Okay, so welcome back to another new video. Today we're here with the BOYA BY-MM1 universal cardioid microphone. So we'll go right into the unboxing. At first we have the user's guide and the warranty card. Then here we have the main microphone with a foam cover which can be used without. Here we have the main actual microphone and this is the foam cover. Here we have the cable to connect it to the devices. This one is specifically for the phone. Here you can see an icon. Then we have a stand which connects to the microphone like this. We just clip it on with a little bit of force and that's it. And then here we have an extender which can be used to add extra length to the microphone. We can just twist it and connect it. So there's that. And then we have this specific one for PCs like desktops or cameras like DSLRs. And here we have a pouch to carry the microphone and all of its accessories. So here we have a DSLR camera which we will be connecting to the microphone. Here we have the microphone set into the stand and everything. So here's how we connect it to the DSLR. You just put in this part of the metal and just twist this. After this is done, you can tighten this bit so that the microphone stays in place. Afterwards, you take this specific wire to connect it to the DSLR. Okay, there you go. We have the microphone connected. So let me connect the foam and then test it. You just push it onto the microphone and that's it. So now I will try and record the voice and then test it out as to how it comes out. Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing, 1, 2, 3. And we have it recorded. Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing, 1, 2, 3. And that's the overall outcome. And that's all. Thank you.